Earth Day 2026 is the largest civic event on the planet. 1 billion people, nearly 200 countries, April 22nd. And most of them do not know what it actually changed the last time the world showed up like this. 56 years ago, humans broke the sky. They punched a hole in the layer of gas protecting every living thing on Earth from radiation. And for years, almost nobody knew it was happening. Today, that hole is healing, not because the planet fixed itself, because in 1987, enough people decided the damage was unacceptable and forced the world to stop. That is what collective action does at planetary scale. That is what our power, our planet means in 2026. April 22nd, 1970, the first Earth Day. Rivers in the United States were catching fire. The air above major cities was visibly brown. Lead was in the petrol. DDT was in the food chain. The environment was not a political issue. It was not even a recognized category of public concern. 20 million Americans, 10% of the entire US population, took to the streets in a single day. Within months, the US Environmental Protection Agency was created. Within 2 years, the Clean Air Act, the Clean Water Act, the Endangered Species Act, laws that have since prevented millions of premature deaths and protected ecosystems across the planet. One day, 20 million people. Laws still in place 56 years later. In 2025, US federal agencies announced dozens of actions rolling back environmental protections, clean air standards, water safety rules, protections that took generations to build, targeted in a single administrative term. According to Earth Day organizers, the total exceeds 400 actions in the United States alone. This is not slow erosion. Across the world, safeguards communities fought for are under pressure, stripped away at a speed that outpaces public awareness. That gap between what is happening and what most people know is happening is the problem Earth Day 2026 is designed to close. The theme this year is Our Power, Our Planet, not a slogan. A documented historical fact. Environmental progress has never come from the top down. The EPA was not created because politicians decided to care. It was created because 20 million people made it impossible to ignore. The ozone layer is healing because citizens in 1987 demanded action that governments initially refused to take. Every major environmental law on Earth traces back to the same origin. An organized public that refused to accept the damage as inevitable. In 2026, over 1 billion people across nearly 200 countries will observe Earth Day. That is not awareness. That is leverage. The question Earth Day 2026 is asking is not whether you care about the planet. It is whether you know that you already have the power to change it. Our power, our planet. April 22nd. Subscribe. The next 56 years start now.